fix Venmo payment stuck and pending for too long. So to fix Venmo payment stuck and pending for too long issue, what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen, then check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If it is needed, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data for the stable network connection. Now the next thing what you can do is, you see when you open your Venmo app and then you find that your Venmo payment is stuck, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle to open the app switcher, then swipe away the Venmo from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is log out of your account and then log back in. Then go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Venmo app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Also check your bank account or card to make sure that you have enough money and confirm your bank has not blocked the transfer, or wait a few business days if you used an e-check, as this take longer to clear. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.